don't you sit on W for your name, William? Look for W. Yeah, I just realized that. All right, well, it's occupied. So look for J for Junior. Look for J. Can you look for J? For Junior? Can you sit there?
Aha.
That's your square.
Aha. Well, I'm so happy to see you all. What time is it? Let's see, we're good. So you can see that Miss Tanya is not here today. I'm Miss Liza. You usually see me around, right? Doing stuff around. And I might need you all to help me sing and say things and remember what to do. Because, you know, I'm no expert at this, but I know you guys are. So I know you'll help me if I need it. Huh? What's my name? I'm Miss Liza.
Miss Liza, I need you to put the chair in front of the table.
Today's Wednesday.
Okay, you can.
Yeah, and today we're going to talk about birds.
Sorry.
We're going to talk about birds and we're going to talk about our letter. So let's see here. We're going to talk about today's letter is, what do you think? So smart. Kiss your smart brain. You're smart. So T is our letter. And I know that my pockets in this special apron have things in it that begin with that letter, because I know Miss Tanya says what? I have something in my pocket. It's the letter of the week. I keep it very close to me, but you can take a peek. I think that you can guess it if you listen to my clues. Right? What did it say next? If you think, I'm looking, if you think that you know it, what letter will you choose? So we know that already, right? What letter did we say? T, right? T. So somebody show me where T is on this row. Who sees it? Who can tell me? Who can tell me that? Good. That's right. We'll get it later.
Good job.
We'll get it later. Good. That's awesome. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Some of the things, there are some kind of big things. What's this? Whoa. Whoa. That starts with T. What's that? A turtle. That's right. A turtle. Some of us are from Maryland and went to the University of Maryland, so we know that the true name for a turtle, the Latin name, is testudo. And if you go to the University of Maryland, there's a giant turtle. You have to touch it. So turtle. It's a turtle. What do we know about turtles? They have a shell. And do they run really fast? No, they're pretty slow. They move pretty slowly, don't they? Yeah. Okay, so a turtle. That was good. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, I'm going to give you a hint before I take it out. Gobble, 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 gobble. What's that? It's a turkey. Yeah, that's right. It's a turkey. Yeah, it's a turkey.
Sure.
It's a turkey.
Gobble,
Gobble, gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. That's right. Okay. Okay, let's see about this one.
What's that?
It's a toilet. We have a potty. Officially a toilet. It's a toilet. Wait till I talk to Miss Tanya about putting a toilet in. That's funny. Oh, I have something else. Let's try. What's another animal that starts with T?
Roar.
A tiger.
Tiger.
Right, a tiger.
What color is a tiger?
A tiger. This looks like, I think this looks like a tiger cub instead of a really big fancy
What's
tiger.
inside of the toilet?
Nothing. Yeah, no. It's just a pretend one and it's empty. Fortunately. Okay, there's a part of you that starts with T. What'd you have for breakfast? Anything? Did you chew it?
I have eggs and sauce.
Did you chew what you had for breakfast?
Tea.
With what?
Tea.
That's right, with teeth. I have some little teeth in here.
Oh, nice.
Right? Little teeth. Little teeth. Everybody show your teeth. Okay. All right, so that's pretty cool. Those are all things that start with T. And now, let's see, because I have a list, so I know what I'm doing next, right? Right? So now we're going to talk about the sound that T makes, right? Okay, so we got this thing. We have this thing, and then we're going to use this to figure out a rhyme. Okay.
What are we gonna do first?
What?
What are we gonna do first?
What are we gonna do first?
Oh, first we're going to do the letter T in this little thing, that tells you what sound T makes. Do you want to tell me what sound T makes before we do this? Okay, so here's that T, right? We know this is the letter T. And here's, every letter makes a sound. T says, say it. T, you sing it. Now let's sing it together. T says, T says, every letter makes a sound, and T says, T. Good. T, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what T says. Okay, we're moving along because last time I couldn't get that thing to go. So I really feel like we're rocking now, right? So now we're going to rhyme. Okay, so what on this starts with T? What on this wheel starts with the letter T? I know, I will. Well, 3 does, and tree does, right? So let's see.
I see a bucket.
You do. So some of these don't rhyme, right? Is that the idea? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw, what was this you saw? A bucket, and that starts with B, which rhymes with T, but bucket and
I
tree.
see a train too.
You see what? A train. Now, train starts with T, right? But it doesn't rhyme with tree or 3, right?
3 and 3 miles.
3 and tree. The 2 that rhyme are what? Tree and 3. Cool. Very good. All right. I guess. I don't know.
And I see
Yeah,
a
see,
bucket.
it tells you. Yeah, because, so we're supposed to, we're looking at what rhymes here. So this is what?
That one.
That's a snail, right? And you told me that's a bucket. Do snail and bucket rhyme? No, they don't sound alike. How about cloud? Oh, wait, that's not a cloud. Yeah, I mean, it is a cloud, but what do you think the word that wants you to say is?
Rain.
Rain, and does that rhyme with this? Train, and train's another T word.
What does that one?
Okay. Oh, now you're going to know all the rhyming words. I have a feeling I'm giving away the information. That's a rug, right? What's that? It's a plug. So rug and plug rhyme. Okay, we're rhymed out. We're all good. So our next move is what? Oh, it's time for the alphabet, right? Right? Right, okay. So we're going up to T, right? And My ASL is okay. Okay, so we're gonna sign it, right? Up to T. We're gonna do it silently, right? So we're gonna say Y. L's Miss Y. And right now, do you want to say them out loud? Oh, whoa! We went all the way, and we were only supposed to go up to T. Good job, gang.
Good practice.
Very good. It's good practice. I need to practice. Okay, we're gonna say it, and we're only gonna go up to T. If I go past T, somebody's got me. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U.
Stop.
Thank you. I just really want to know to do the whole alphabet, but you guys are great. Thank you. Huh? I went past. I know. I did. I went past. I think it's okay though. It's all right. We're gonna do that. Okay. Time to read a book. So today's books are all about birds. And some of them are about some other things. And you'll see we got a whole bunch of books up here. We're not going to read all these books, are we? The day is not long enough for that. But if you see some books that you think you'd like to read after that we didn't get to, you can check them out at the library or you can read them here, right? So it's fun. Let's see. I think first we'll read Wow, said the owl, because it's about colors. We're into it. You want to read Wow, said the owl? Good. We're going to read Wow, said the owl. The person, the author of the book, the author is the person who wrote the book, right? And the author of the book is Tim Hopgood. And I don't see a different illustrator, so he did the pictures as well. Pretty good. At night, when we're feeling tired and ready for bed, owls are just waking up. Anybody ever hear owls? Sometimes I hear them in the woods behind our house. What do they say? This says the owl says, wow, but that's not usually the sound I hear them make for real. Right, woo-hoo, they go sometimes. Okay, so look, this owl is just waking up. One eye open and the other one closed. Owls live in a nighttime world. They have eyes that can see in the dark. But this little owl was a curious owl. Instead of staying awake all night, as little owls are supposed to do, she took a long nap and woke up just before dawn. So this owl wanted to see what was going on in the daytime, didn't she? Wow, said the owl. She couldn't believe her eyes. The sky was a warm and wonderful, what color? Pink. Pink. like the sky at dawn and at sunset on a pretty day. Sometimes when it's a cloudy, cloudy day, you don't see that pink, but on pretty days you do. Wow, said the owl, as the yellow sun shone through the morning mist. So she's seeing the sun coming up, and she's an owl, and owls usually get up at night. So she hasn't seen these wonderful colors. Wow, said the owl, as white, fluffy clouds floated across the bright blue sky. What? It's blue. The sky is blue here. Wow, said the owl, when she saw that the leaves on her tree were what? What color? Green, that's right, green. Wow, said the owl, as the pretty, what color? Red butterflies flew by. I love it in spring when the butterflies start singing. We have a lot that come out outside, all the pretty flowers out there. Up in the sky, the clouds turned gray, gray, and it started to rain. But the sun was still shining. Have you guys ever seen when it starts to rain, but the sun is still out in the sky? No? Keep an eye out. It does happen sometimes. And a lot of times when that happens, you can look for what? A rainbow. Wow, said the owl, as a rainbow of red, orange, huh? Yeah. Yes, they go whoo hoo, not wow, yeah. But maybe if they saw what's going on in the daytime, maybe they would say wow. So the rainbow was red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. Indigo is a color that's in between blue and purple. So it's like a really dark blue. And violet. Violet's another name for what? Purple. That's right. It's another name for purple. Have you ever seen violets outside in the spring? They're little purple flowers. Sometimes they're white too, but mostly they're little purple flowers. And this one, keep an eye out this spring. And so the owl saw this beautiful rainbow with all these different colors, and that made her say, wow. The little owl sat happily in her tree and watched as the sun went down and the moon came up. The daytime is full of beautiful colors, she thought. But wow, said the owl, the nighttime stars are the most beautiful of all. Too excited to sleep, the little owl stayed awake all night, just like little owls are supposed to do. All these wonderful colors can be found in this book, right? So we saw these colors. So let's see. So let's go around and tell me what they are. Let's start at the top. Green, yep. Blue, that's right. Indigo, very good. Remember, that's the one between blue and purple, also called violet. Gray, right? White. Pink. Orange, right? And yellow. Awesome. Good job. Let's read this one. And really, this one, I wasn't going to read this one today, but what color is the sky outside now? What do we think? Kind of white, gray. It's a couple of colors. That happens a lot. And it's gray because what's it supposed to do later on? Mm-hmm. So this is a story about a duck in the rain. Usually, ducks, have you ever seen ducks like on the river around here? They like water usually, but this duck is not sure. So this duck is a baby duck in the rain. And the book's called In the Rain with Baby Duck. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat-pat. The rain makes a sound, right? Sometimes you can hear it when it hits things and it makes a little kitty-pat sound. And that's what this is. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby duck was mad. She did not like walking in the rain. But it was Pancake Sunday, a duck family tradition. And baby duck loved pancakes. Who likes pancakes? Me too. Me too. And she loved Grandpa, who was waiting on the other side of town. So sometimes families have traditions that they do together, don't they? And this little duck was looking forward to pancakes with Grandpa. There's baby duck looking like, I don't know about this rain. Oh, I don't think so. Pitter-pat, pitter-pat, pitter-pat. That's the sound the rain's making. Follow us. Step lively, Mr. and Mrs. Duck left the house arm in arm. Wet feet, wailed baby. Don't dally, dear. Don't drag behind, called Mr. Duck. Wet face, pouted baby. Water in my eyes. Mrs. Duck pranced along. See how the rain rolls off your back. Mud, muttered baby. Mud, mud, mud. Don't dawdle, dear. Don't lag behind. Mr. and Mrs. Duck skipped ahead because they like it outside in the rain. And they love the mud puddles. And they're skipping through puddles and skipping through the rain. They hopped in all the puddles. They waddled. They shimmied. Who knows what waddling is? Want to waddle? Let's waddle.
Can you waddle?
Right? They shimmy. Right? They hopped in all the puddles. Good thing we don't have a puddle in here or we might have to hop in. So that's not a right? Baby dawdled. She dallied and pouted and dragged behind. She sang a little song. I do not like the rain one bit, splashing down my neck. Baby feathers soaking wet. I do not like this mean old day. Are you singing? Called Mr. and Mrs. Duck. What a fine thing to do in the rain. Baby stopped singing. Grandpa was waiting at his front door. He put his arm around baby. Wet feet, he asked. Yes, baby said. Wet face, Grandpa asked. Yes, baby said. Mud, Grandpa asked. Yes, baby said. Mud, mud, mud. I'm afraid the rain makes baby cranky. Anybody here ever get cranky? Me a little bit sometimes too. Especially if you're planning to do something fun outside and then it rains. And you can't do it. So sometimes you have to think of something else to do. I know, go to the library. Einstein said, when in doubt, go to the library. And I believe that. I'm afraid the rain makes baby cranky, clucked Mr. Duck. I've never heard of a duck who didn't like rain, worried Mrs. Duck. Is that a fact? Grandpa kissed baby's cheeks. Grandpa took baby's hand. Come with me, baby. They went upstairs to the attic. We're looking for a tall green bag, Grandpa said. finally, they found it. Inside was a beautiful red umbrella. There were matching boots, too. These used to be your mother's, Grandpa whispered. A long time ago, she was a baby duck who did not like rain. Baby opened the umbrella. The boots were just the right size. Baby and Grandpa marched downstairs. My boots, cried Mrs. Duck, and my bunny umbrella. No, mine, said Baby. You look lovely, said Mrs. Duck. Mr. Duck put a platter of pancakes on the table. After that, Baby and Grandpa went outside. What do you like on your pancakes?
Syrup.
Syrup?
And I like chocolate.
Oh, you do. Good choice. Yeah, for those dessert pancakes. Some people like honey, right, on their pancakes. Some people like butter. It's okay with me, whatever you put on them, I'll eat them. That sounds good.
And syrup.
Yep, and syrup. So Baby and Grandpa went outside after breakfast. Pit-pat, pit-a-pat, pit-a-pit-a-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck and Grandpa walked arm in arm in the rain. They waddled. You want to waddle like ducks? Come on, waddle with me like a duck. Waddle. Let's waddle. Ready? Let's go. Waddle, 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 waddle like a duck. They shimmied. Shimmy, 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 shimmy like a duck. They hopped in all the puddles. Well, we don't have a puddle, but we can give it a hop. Hop! And pretend that a puddle got splashed all over the place. Good. They hopped in all the puddles. And Baby Duck sang a new song. I really like the rain a lot, splashing my umbrella. Big red boots on baby feet. I really love this rainy day. The end. The end. So what happened? Yay! So what happened? What changed from the beginning of the story to the end of the story?
Like the rain at the end.
Right.
But
And
in the beginning, it didn't like
that's right. The duck didn't like rain in the beginning, but by the end of the story, she did. Grandpa helped. Grandpas and grandmas are like that. Okay, gang. Let's see. How we doing? Oh, I think we better go have a craft, right? Ready to go do a craft?
Yeah!
Yeah? Did I skip anything? Anything important? No. I think I got it.
Wait, did you do that?
Yes, sir, I sure did. Remember T, whatever they say. T is for carrot.
Oh,
I don't know, but yes, the answer
I
is I
didn't hear it
did.
because I wasn't there.
Oh, where were you?
I was,
Oh, okay. All right.